Hi, I'm Jack Noble, Managing Director of Vennle.
And I'm Daniel Carbonell, Technical Director of Vennle, where we do big data analytics for public transport and cities. So transport networks require frequent and complex operational decision-making, yet the decisions are not always informed by data. This could be down to budget, time, or technical ability that make analytics prohibitive for most operators. This can lead to networks becoming unreliable and less profitable. Our solution is a data analytics platform for transport operators in cities that predicts the supply and demand of different networks during the day. It then recommends actions to optimize the resources and KPIs. And then finally, it automates the decision-making and management of those networks. So here's a quick look at the MVP that we developed for the Just Eat cycle scheme in Edinburgh, where we gather in a bunch of data, we visualize how the scheme is running, and then at night we'll forecast how we expect things to be running the next day.
Cool, I'll quickly discuss our business model. So our business model is split between a data analytics platform, which will be sold directly to transport operators as a SaaS offering. And the aim there is to go multimodal, so starting with bike sharing, but moving quickly to scooters, car sharing, buses, and so on. The second part of that model is selling insights from that multimodal data to other industries such as logistics, smart cities, and infrastructure. In terms of the market, we're starting with micromobility, which is bike and scooter sharing. It's really on-demand and short-distance travel with high frequency. We found they're really open to new opportunities with tech, are already collecting data, and is a high-growth market. Micromobility is forecast to grow to $300 to $500 billion by 2030. And bike sharing is performing really well during COVID-19, interestingly. The aim is to go multimodal and serve other modes of transport. So the wider transportation analytics market is currently worth around $10 billion, but is forecast to almost triple by 2024. In terms of traction, we have an MVP with Serco's Just Eat Cycles network. Serco is the largest UK bike share operator, operating both London and Edinburgh schemes. We're also part of the Wayra AM blockchain Accelerator, and we've been granted a £5,000 innovation voucher to work with the Bay Centre on a new machine learning model for transport prediction. Quick word on the team. Both Dan and I come from an engineering background at Edinburgh University. We were both leaders of the hyped Hyperloop team, competing in Elon Musk's SpaceX competition and work experience across all these different companies. Together, we have a really good knowledge of technology and transportation and a great network to support us. Our plans over the next 12 months are to test our MVP on Edinburgh's Just Eat Cycles and then continue product development. What we need to facilitate this is new customers, partnerships, and investment. Thank you very much for listening, and I appreciate your time. You can contact us at team@vennle.com, and we'll be happy to take questions. Thank you.